Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect OTG adapter or OTG normal pen drive to OTG adapter in the Oneplus 10 Pro smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to insert the pen drive to the OTG adapter. Then you need to insert this setup to the Oneplus 10 Pro smartphone. Now you can go to the file manager, My Files. Then see the option called OTG. You need to click on OTG. You can access the document from here. If you copy any document to the phone, you need to click and hold and choose copy and choose phone storage and copy to phone storage. Now files from the phone storage is copied successfully. If you want to remove the pen drive, you can't remove the phone pen drive directly. It will damage your phone or pen drive. You need to open the notification bar and choose the tap to remove USB device safely. So now you can remove the pen drive or OTG. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.